Today's video is brought to you by Oxedo LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxedo LED lighting, and here is some after Oxedo LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxedo LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video. Hello and welcome back to another episode of 612 Motorsports. In today's episode we're working on the Xtreme, and we're doing something that's going to make it sound amazing. I hope anyways. But before we get too far into today's episode, you guys know the routine. Go ahead, hit that subscription button, the notification bell, leave a comment, a thumbs up, all that stuff. It's super helpful, and it's very greatly appreciated. So we're at the shop today, as you can see by the background here, and we've got the truck in on the hoist, and we have a little bench here in front of me with some goodies on it. You boys ready? We're running a nice little glass pack. We're gonna throw a little chrome turn down on it, hide that, and we got some bits and bobs. Don't know if we're gonna need it all, but I'd rather have it now instead of having to run up to the store later. So anything we don't use here, it's just scrap, extras, good to have laying around because you never know. My boy Garrett over here is assisting me today. He is the welder extraordinaire. He can lay some dimes, so he's gonna help me out. We're gonna cut this all to pieces and make her look nice and fresh. And plus, I always love getting the truck up on the hoist because I can get underneath and take a look at it and see if anything new has popped up or anything that we're currently aware of is getting any worse. So it's always a good deal to do. I do know at some point, boys, we're going to be pulling that cover off and changing out the fluid in there. So, what I'm thinking is right here. Yeah. And get rid of all of this. Could maybe cut there and there, drop that section. I do have a pipe to put in. So yeah, we're gonna get rid of this. We're probably gonna lop this off back here somewhere, probably on the front side of this hanger, so we can still utilize that. And then we're gonna give her a nip right about here, because we do need this 2-to-1 collector here, so we're gonna need something to go on the end there and roll that through. So let's get a cutting, boys. Let's get a cutting. Oh, fuck. Alright. So we got our nub cut off here. We've got our edges cleaned up. We've got it all gone. We've got some bits and pieces laying around. We might end up having to We might end up having to cut the bung out of this and reuse it so we don't throw in any more codes, but we're going to start tacking this bad boy up.
Ready? Yep. Try not to go back far because it's going to slide over. Probably be like the Xtreme. Yep. Okay. Yeah.
Looks good. So we're just wrapping her up here. Stopped filming for a little bit to actually get some work done. We put a little tip on her because the rest was ugly. We got the humongous. That thing is a monster. Look at that. So I'm excited to hear the difference. It's gonna be
A bit louder, I would say.
You think?
A bit louder.
Just a bit. So we're gonna clean up a little bit. We're gonna drop this and we're gonna see what it sounds like with our first startup. All right, we're gonna fire this thing up and see what it sounds like. Fingers crossed, it's just nice and loud. Like
Let's see. Nice and meaty sounding.
I like it.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
Want me to give it a rev?
Yeah. Sounds even better out here. Yeah. Nice little sputter. Yeah.
Will it hit limiter?
I don't know. I've never tried.
I was gonna say, I wonder if you can get a good old pop out of it.
She was banging a little.
Yeah.
Give her a... Not bad.
Looks like a champion.
No.
Maybe weld it up into exhaust.
So I definitely have a smile on my face, boys. That makes me happy. Long time coming. Honestly, that's the first real mod we've done to the truck, other than just fixing factory things and very minimal cosmetic stuff. This is the first like real mod, I guess, that you could say that we've done to it. It's well worth it. Well, we got the exhaust all taken care of. Damn, that thing sounds good, I do have to say. And it's only gonna sound better as we get some miles put on and some heat cycles through that thing. We'll burn it out a little bit and she'll get a little louder. Does have a few nice little back pressure pops, so we like that. We're not mad about that at all. But she's looking good, we're happy about it. Garrett did a hell of a job for me, and I can't thank him enough. I think I owe him a couple of beers, or at least a case and maybe some lunch. So we're gonna go do that, and that's gonna wrap things up for us here today. But as always, stay positive, work hard, and make it happen.